Hi friends, I am taking you today to Sagar Lake, the beautiful lake which is not easily visible and which is really a great place to go in the morning, means at the time of the sunrise as well as at the time of the sunset, even in the evening hours. And it's in the Amber town area, so we are heading towards the Sagar Lake, going to exit from this particular gate which is called KD gate towards the jungle area it is. And here I'm riding on my scooter and going to Sagar Lake. Sagar, which is a man-made lake and done during the time of the King Jai Singh of Amer, which is a man-made lake and a rainwater harvesting. I can say it is the part of all those plans which were done long back as a great initiative by the kings of the Amer, that during the time of the year the rainwater is only the water source which can then drink, they can use inside of the palaces, forts, as well as for the local people also. Sagar is having the two part. One is the lower Sagar lake and then it is the upper Sagar lake. Lower is not easily visible. Here we are in the parking slot. I have parked my scooter. Be careful about all these monkeys at the time when you do park your vehicle, specifically the scooters and your helmets and the belongings. They are naughty monkeys. Yes, look at that. They are sliding on the mirror, the front mirror of the car. So they are just making their own. Here we are, and that's the first beautiful view which you can get at here. It is the Jaipur on the top, standing tall and saying about its mighty history a lot. So even the supply from this lake, the water used to be inside of the Jaipur also. Then the wall is beautifully visible from here. You can capture such a panoramic view from here. Some temples also in this particular area, and the reflection of those palaces, forts is beautiful in this still water. From here you can go for a trekking route also. It is an amazing sight. I will say that it is really a great sport, and morning is the best time. Boys enjoying here. Even in the middle of the lake there is a structure also and a banyan tree also inside of the lake. We can spot some birds also, like I have spotted some kingfishers also here. Some temples of the Hindu religion. Listen the beautiful music of the peacocks at here, and that's nice golden color which you can see. And these are the water catchment areas of this Sagar lake, and beautifully adorned, nice area. In the city of the Jaipur there are so many attractions are available, and you can keep exploring and keep exploring in these areas. And for the resident of the Jaipur, it is, I will call them that they are really blessed like me, that they do have so many attractions and so many beautiful places. There is no need to go to the mountains itself. Here are so many hills are there, and in the time of the monsoon they looks amazing and beautiful. So keep exploring along with me and stay tuned with your own city.